there, it's Beth from Scratchpad, a revenue workflow specialist, and today I'd like to show you a better way to verify or change a team member's role through Studio. Let's say, for an example, you have a newly promoted AE, and you're struggling with finding the time or surfacing the information that they need to become successful. Today in Scratchpad, you can change their role and give them access to, say, shared views or shared templates to be more successful as an AE. You do that by accessing Studio, finding the team member's name, and I'll use myself as an example, and right now I'm listed as a workflow specialist, and I'm going to promote myself to an AE. And there you have it. Try it today and create a better way.